Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Rahman and you are watching Animals Production Practices. Today our lecture topic is poultry industry and its importance. This is our fourth lecture on the introduction to animal husbandry. First three lectures were on introduction to genetics, livestock management, animal nutrition, and this is our last and fourth lecture on animal husbandry. First of all, what is poultry? Poultry designated to those species of birds which are economical and produce and reproduce freely under human care. What is poultry? Poultry are subject to those species of birds which are economical, which are beneficial, which are marketable, okay, and which can be grown and reproduced under human care. Okay, this is poultry. Poultry science is the study of principles and practices involved in the production and marketing of poultry and its products. It includes chickens, ducks, turkeys, pheasants, pigeons, quail, partridges, etc. Let's look at all the species of the birds which are included in the poultry. First one is duck. This is the duck farm and the picture of the duck farming. You can see the ducks are being grown on this slatted floor, and this is the ducks are being grown on the soil. Next is turkeys. Turkeys are meat breeds of the poultry. Pheasants, you can see the both male and female genders of this species are being shown here. Pheasant, the male is more colorful and the female is more to white. Guinea, this is also a meat breed but more towards the prey birds like the predators often prey. This is also the guinea fowl which is very common in Pakistan, even in the villages, which is in simple words called as chukor. This is partridge, very beautiful bird, easily grown and also grown as a meat and ornamental bird. Quail is also a meat breed and egg as well. This is the demonstration of the quail farming being grown in the cages, and the eggs are going out of the cages into the line leading to the eggs storage room where they could be marketed. Chickens. Generally term poultry is used only for chickens because they serve as most economical source food of animal origin. Zoological classification of chicken is as following. The chickens belong to the kingdom Animalia, class Aves, family Phascidae, and the subfamily red jungle fowl, and the species name Gallus domesticus. What is the species name of the poultry? Gallus domesticus. It includes The poultry actually includes breeding, housing, incubation, brooding, rearing, feeding, and disease control. These are the steps, these are the stages of the poultry growing or the poultry farming. And the last one is marketing, when the birds or the product has been made and which ready to be marketed. The product may be the eggs and the broilers as a meat itself. The broilers duration and phases are brooding, growing and finishing. Average body weight and feed composition consumption also does matter in the broiler industry, which lead to the calculation of. The next is rearing and the last stage is laying. Breeders. Birds of both sexes which are kept for breeding purpose to obtain fertilized eggs for hatching to get chicks, that is broilers or layers. Faces are similar to layer birds. This is the picture of broilers. The layers, the layers are grown in the cages. Here the layers are grown in the cages. This is the breeder. Now, poultry industry and its importance. Poultry industry. What is the history of poultry? Initially it was unorganized farming, started from 1963 by collaborating Shavor Canadian firm with PIA, Pakistan International Airline. When did the Pakistan started progressing in the poultry industry? In 1963, with the collaboration of Shavor Canadian firm. With the passage of time, commercial production systems are introduced with state-of-the-art technological interventions. Now second largest industry in the country after textile. In Pakistan, poultry is the second largest industry, providing direct or indirect employment to the millions of people. Source of nutrition. The poultry is the source of number of nutrients like including eggs. Eggs contain a number of nutrients and chickens meat are generally preferred. Eggs are palatable, highly digestible, nutritious and protein rich food. They also provide fat, minerals and vitamins. In fact, they are also used to manufacture sweets. They serve as binder agents in ice cream. Chicken meat. What is the importance of chicken meat? The chicken meat is economical, quick and easy to prepare and serve. It is almost wholly protein. The broiler farm is also known as protein farm as it's the rich source of protein. You may say it's a whole protein. It is low in calories, source of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids and essential fatty acids, good source of essential amino acids. Meat fiber is tender, easy to chew, easy to digest and flavor is mild, blends well with other foods. Once the taste buds developed, the humans then used to eat meat of broilers. It is preferred due to low cholesterol and is suitable for cardiac patients. Refrigeration is not required for preserving meat. By keeping poultry at home, eggs and meat are available to each family members. It also helps to raise the family income by selling the excess of poultry products, that is eggs and chicken. Meant to say, if the poultry is grown in the backyard, a small family can earn a small income by selling the products like eggs and meat. Qualities which make the chickens to be used in the labs for the experimental analysis. Low price, available. Next is industrial uses. Preparation of vaccines. Infertile eggs are used in the animal feed and fertilizer. Eggshells are used in mineral mixture for animal feed. The biggest use of the poultry byproducts is in the field of nutrition in the manufacture of animal feed. Egg white is used in pharmacy, photography, bookbinding, leather tanning, textile dyeing. These are the some uses enlisted here before you of the egg white, which we called as albumin. These industries have an extensive use of egg white. Egg yolk is used in the preparation of soaps, paints, shampoos, finishing leathers. Feathers are used in making millinery goods, pillows, cushions, insulation material, animal feed. You can see all the products related to animal like the feathers, eggs, meat, egg yolk, egg albumin, egg white, all are used in the different industries. So the poultry has an extensive important and linking and providing a raw material for a number of industries. Okay, feathers, you can see the industries in which feathers are used. Poultry droppings are used as an organic fertilizer. Fish feed, poultry slaughter waste like poultry blood, offal and fat can be used in poultry feed. Poultry droppings, poultry feathers, poultry meat, poultry egg yolk, poultry egg white, poultry droppings, poultry slaughter waste. All the things related to poultry are used in the number of industries, and the industries getting their raw materials from the poultry as well. Source of income. Broiler unit. If we have a number of broilers equal to 1000 and investment of 2 lakh, duration is 2 months, sale 2 lakh and 40,000, profit is 40,000. Meant to say, if we have a small farm of the number of birds equal to 1000 and investment equal to 2 lakh, then after 2 months we can earn 40,000 easily. So as the number of birds increase, our investment will increase and eventually our profit will also double with the investment increases. Layer unit. If we talk about the layer unit and the number of birds equal to 1000, investment 4 lakh may be required, duration without production 5 months, duration with laying 1 layer, profit 35% annual. Breeder unit. If we talk about number of birds 1000, the investment may be required as 10 lakh, duration without production 6 to 7 months, and the duration of laying may be 1 year, and we will earn profit 40% annual by the breeder unit of for 1000 birds capacity. So these were the some industry, the big scale earning from the poultry, including breeder farm, layer farm, broiler farm, hatchery unit. Okay, this is the chemical composition of newly laid egg. First of all, at the left side, the water, the ingredients being present in the egg are enlisted, like the water, dry matter, protein, fat, carbohydrates, ash, and calories per 100 gram egg. And the upper side of the table, in the highlighted the entire egg, if there is, the water could be 65%. If only egg content is there and shells are excluded, then the water could be 75% in such egg. Yolk is containing 48% water, white albumin is containing 88% water, shell and shell membrane is containing 2% water, and meat of the chicken for 66% water. Similarly, dry matter is present in entire egg as 35, egg content 25, yolk 52, white albumin is containing dry matter as 12, shell and shell membrane 98% dry matter is containing it, and the dry matter is present about 34% in the meat of chicken. The most important, protein. The entire egg contains 12% protein, and egg content without shell contain 12% protein, yolk contain 17.5% protein, white albumin contain 11% protein, shell contain 4.5% protein, and meat of the chicken contain 20.2% protein. Amazing value of protein in the meat of the chicken. Fat, entire egg 11% fat, egg content 11, yolk 32, white albumin 0.2, and the shell and shell membranes doesn't contain fat, any type of fat, and meat of chicken contain 12.2% fat. The next ingredient is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is also present but in less quantity. The next is ash. Ash is most present in shell and shell membranes, like 93.5% ash is present in shell. Calories, 163 calories per 100 gram is present in an entire egg, and the meat of chicken contains 200 calories per 100 gram. And what is the average vitamin content of chicken, egg, and meat? As we know, all of us know, that the eggs and meat of the chicken or the poultry contain a number of vitamins, especially the vitamin A, vitamin B, and the most important vitamin B1 and B2. The chicken egg contain vitamin A 1300 IU, international unit, but it is not present in chicken meat. Similarly, the chicken egg contain 50 IU of vitamin D. Vitamin B1 is present in both eggs and chicken, 0.2 mg per 100 gram chicken egg, and similarly 0.2 mg per 100 gram of chicken meat. 1.3 mg of vitamin B2 is present in chicken egg, and 0.3 mg per 100 gram of vitamin B2 is present in chicken meat. So that's all about today lecture. If you have any question, you may ask freely in the comments. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Animal Production Practices to get more and more videos about the animal production sector like animal nutrition, animal livestock management